So guys, welcome again to Green Light Coding. Today we will know about a new and very easy trick for creating a WhatsApp web application icon using simple command lines, which can be accessed in the desktop without searching in Chrome. For this you first need to write the code, then go to Chrome and download an image of WhatsApp like that, and then convert it into .ico and download the file with ICO extension. Make a shortcut, then put the icon of the shortcut and you will be ready to use your app now. You can open your WhatsApp web just on clicking the ready-made app created on your desktop. Not only WhatsApp web, you can create access to any kind of URL through it.